90-second recipe go. This time we're doing Beyond Beef Stroganoff. I really like beef stroganoff, but my wife doesn't eat beef, so the Beyond Beef turned out pretty good too. First, you want to slice an onion into strips like I did. I like the longer strips instead of the cubes in stroganoff. Then just slice up some mushrooms. Get your noodles started. A little bit of salt in the water, just follow the directions. Then you want to saute your onions and mushrooms. I added a little more oil. Those mushrooms get a little thirsty and absorb some of that. And my cast iron just could use a little extra seasoning. Then after those get kind of browned, add your Beyond Beef. Go ahead and kind of ground that up just like that. Then add about a teaspoon of crushed pepper and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Stir that up. Let that keep browning. You see how those onions are getting that nice color. Then I add about half a teaspoon of not chicken stock and then a tablespoon of just plain flour. Stir that in there. You kind of want that flour to start sticking to the bottom. You can kind of see it right there. Then slowly add water. You're kind of just making a gravy, but you want to pull off all that flour that you've cooked to the bottom. Don't be afraid to add a little bit more. You're looking for like a sauce consistency. Don't go overboard. We are going to add a little more at the end. At this point, I like to add, that's oat milk. You can add regular milk, or if you're going vegan, do an alternative. I feel like it tastes better, goes with the theme. Then I put 1 ladleful of the pasta water, drain the pasta, combine the two, mix well, and there you have it. Beyond Beef Stroganoff, just as good as the real stuff. Enjoy.